Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today we'll discuss how to give user access in the NetSuite portal. To give a user access to NetSuite, portal, or full access, you need to create a user account and assign a role that determines what they can see and do. Here's how to do it step by step. First, go to the employee or customer vendor record. If the user already exists, you can also search for their record using global search. Click Edit. Go to the Access tab. On the record, check the box, Give Access. Check the Send New Access Notification email to send an automatic email notifying this employee customer vendor of access privileges to NetSuite. The standard NetSuite email message also contains a link to let the user create a password. Make sure to set the email address. This will be their login. If you check the Manually Assign or Change Password, you must create a password for this user and tell the user how to log into NetSuite. You can also enable Require Password Change on Next Login to require this user to change their password on their next login to NetSuite. Additionally, you can set a date by which the access expires. Lastly, select a role from the drop-down that the user will use to access NetSuite. Click Save. And that's how to give user access in the NetSuite portal. And that wraps up this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.